Hey, you know what I miss? What do you miss? I miss Lunchables. Lunchables? Yeah, Lunchables. There's a little tiny make your own snack thing. Oh yeah, I love those little tiny snack things. Man, I miss the Lunchables. Do they still make them? Oh, I don't know. I'm a bird. Hey guys! Oh no, it's Frederick. Frederick, go away! You remember what last time that you did? You broke all the furniture, you broke the blender, and you broke all of our refrigerators. Dude, maybe we should give Frederick another chance. I mean, he's been through a lot. And are you stealing our fridge? What fridge? That fridge. That's our fridge. You little piece of crap. No, this is my fridge. If it's really your fridge, then there won't be, I don't know, Happy and Quiche in there. There might be. Open the fridge, Frederick. What do you have to lose? You know what? I'm out of here. Did Frederick just teleport? I think he did teleport. You want to make a Lunchable? Shut up. Haha, refrigerator.